I have the Governor of the Reserve Bank, Mr. Arieta Ali. We also have with us this afternoon the Program Manager for the Pacific Financial Inclusion Program, Mr. Bram Peters. Also here present is the Deputy Program Manager, Mr. Krishnan Narshman, and the FijiCare Management Team, Ronald, Victor, Priti, and Choni. And of course, a warm welcome to the beneficiaries of the Family Insurance Program. As you know, the program was introduced as part of the 2018 national budget. It covers the civil servants, the disciplined forces, and the welfare recipients. The scheme, of course, is fully funded by government and covers over 107 participants or recipients. So the product offers two packages. For those who are below the age of 70, the cover is a total of 10,000, includes 100,000 for funeral expenses, 3,000 for life insurance, 3,000 for personal injuries, and also for house fire, 3,000. For those that are above 75, the total cover is about 7,000, but excludes life insurance. So also important this afternoon is that we wanted to acknowledge the partnership, very good partnership that we've had with all the stakeholders that are present this afternoon. With their support, they were of course very instrumental in terms of the development, the piloting, and also the rollout of the product. And for us, it's also a way to showcase how when government partners with the private sector and other agencies, that we are able to implement policies a lot faster, and the success is even better. So with that, it's as was announced by the Honourable Minister during the budget announcement. We took a community-based approach, and it's another layer of cover for families in Fiji, and it just adds on or builds on to the programs that already exist with the Ministry of Women, Children and Poverty Alleviation. So, ladies and gentlemen, maybe I will stop there. And at this point, I'd like to kindly invite the stakeholders to present the checks that we prepared for the recipients that are with us this afternoon. Arieta Marawaqa.
I think today is actually, though to a certain extent a sad day, but also a very good day for us to actually show what the important value of insurance in people's lives. And I really want to thank all our stakeholders, the Reserve Bank of Fiji, as well as FijiCare and the government, to actually work with us, where we started initially with farmers, but the government has taken it up and actually embraced it fully and actually scaled it significantly and helped us reach out to those of you who need it the most. And in that sense, I'm really pleased to be here today, and actually that this is really the tangible result of that the journey that we started actually quite some time ago with FijiCare, and I thank you for that. Thanks.
Yeah, I can speak on behalf of the beneficiaries of the macro insurance, and this is based on the observations and also their own voices as well, and also their testimonies while at the ground level. And they received it with gratefulness, with real appreciation. And more to that, some of them for the first time to have an insurance, and more to that, the procedure to get the benefit is very simple. And I must commend the FijiCare for the rapid processing time. And I must say the first case that we encountered, it took FijiCare 6 hours from the time the application was launched to actually the money being deposited in the bank account of the beneficiary. It is one of the busiest activity in our office right now, where members of the public are coming in to get hold of the forms. And I must say the forms are very simple. There's only 2 forms. There's the application form and also the claim form. And I must commend our government for coming forward with the great partnership to have this initiative benefit the 77,000 beneficiaries who are on the welfare scheme. On the other note, a benefit that is from this investment is actually we have an auditing system whereby we can clean up those that needs to be terminated from the system. So in that way it minimizes wastage and saves government money.